Hey everyone! Today, we're setting up a vital visual indicator in ClickUp, a progress bar. This bar reflects the percentage of task completion within a list. We'll focus on the progress auto type for real-time automated tracking. First, navigate to the desired task list. The progress bar is configured at the list level. Open Spaces, open your ClickUp account and navigate to the Open Spaces section. Select Folder, select the appropriate folder within your space. Choose Target List. Click on the specific list where you want the progress bar to appear. Next, open Customization and choose Progress Type. You need to access the list's field settings to add the bar. Open Menu, click to Customize button, typically located at the top right of the list view. Select Fields. From the drop-down menu, choose Fields. Search. Use the search bar to type Progress if the option doesn't appear automatically. Add Field. Click Add Field /Progress Auto. The Progress Auto type automatically calculates completion based on completed subtasks or checklist items. Next, configure and set permissions. Customize the bar's appearance and who can see or edit it. Name field. Set the field name, e.g. Progress Bar or any preferred label. Set filter. Set the task completion filter to define which items contribute to the progress calculation. Adjust permissions. Expand more settings to access visibility options, who can see the field, and edit permissions, who can modify the progress. Next, create and verify the progress bar. Finalize the setup and confirm the feature is working. Create. Click the Create button to finalize the field setup. Verification. The progress bar will now appear on the list view. It will immediately reflect task completion in real time, updating as subtasks or checklist items are completed. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.